Oh, on there. Oh man, that is hot. There we go, we got all our apples in there with our sponge. Oh, that is delicious. Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, easy batter topped apple pie. Forget the pastry, we're making a batter top, like a batter pudding. It's old fashioned, it's an old fashioned recipe. So easy to do. We peel some apples, core them, dice them, chuck them in a tub. I've got an 8-inch tin thing here. That will do. 8-inch by 8-inch, 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Mix up the batter, chuck it on there, throw it in the oven, bring it out, serve it up, job done. Let's get on. Apples, peel and core, dice your apples and throw in your tub. Peel and core the apples any which way that you normally do. Up to you, corer, knife, peeler, anything. And as you can see, these are the usual type of things that I buy in. As soon as I see them reduced, I'm having them. They've got a couple of bruises. Hey, we're not worried. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, this one's a bit more. Right, just crack on, get all your apples done. Peeled, and then we're going to core them, dice them up. Now you need to be cubing up your apples as big or as small as you like. I'm just going to whiz this through like this and then we'll start cubing. Right, just cube them up and chuck them in your tub. Want some big ones, want some small ones, anything, any size you like. Just cube them up. That's the hard work done, look. There you go. Right, what we need to be doing is taking a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of lemon juice. Now you can mix all this in a bowl, or you could just do it like this. Little bit of sugar in there, come on. Give it a mix up. Now I'm going over there with a little bit of salt. That should ignite our taste buds with that sugary apple. Fabulous. Okay, first stage, one side, oven on 180. Flour, all-purpose, plain flour. Baking powder, sugar, little squirt of vanilla, some milk, an egg, chuck in some melted butter and give it a whisk. Now this wants to be a thick-ish batter. Okay, it doesn't want to be runny like a pancake batter, but it doesn't want to be too thick either. So you might have to add a little bit more milk, or you could even add water. But that, to me, is a fantastic batter straight out. We're lucky there. Look at that. Fabulous. We're ready to go. So what we're aiming for is to put our batter on there And if the apples stick through the top, that's absolutely magic. So we just got to get the batter on there fairly even. So in we go, come on. A little bit of sprinkled sugar over the top. There we go. Now a really old-fashioned way with these type puddings is little knobs of butter here, there and everywhere over the top. Now I'm not going to go too much on that because I just want to lift up the pudding without the butter. So that'll do, just for show, the old-fashioned way. Right, stick that in the oven. 35, 40 minutes. Come on. Okay, time up. What a beautiful smell of cooking apples, apple pie. Oh, look at that. What a fabulous apple dessert. A little bit of crunch on the top there, look. If you press it, you can feel the sponginess. How easy is that to make an apple dessert? No messing around with pastry, so quick. Let's let it cool down a little minute. We'll have some out of there. I think I'm going to have it with cream today and not custard. Now there's one good thing about these type of puddings. You don't have to hang around. You know, you can get straight in on this. It's a pudding. We don't have to let this thing cool down. Oh yeah, come on. Could have been 6 today, but I think it's 4. Oh, this thing is absolutely steaming. Oh, on there. Oh man, that is hot. There we go, we got all our apples in there with our sponge. Oh, that is delicious. Come on. You know it's got to be done. A little bit of cream on there. Oh yeah. What a fabulous smell from this pudding. Okay, come on, I've got cream on now, but we're going to just look in there. Oh, our apples. We got this sponge, we got this crusty, little crusty top. We got this light sponge with our apples. Oh, it's a bit warm. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. What an easy recipe to make. Apples have cooked fantastic. They've got a little bit of crunch left in them. Oh, they are gorgeous. Another old-fashioned dessert, an easy batter top apple pie. Look at that. Forget the pastry, tip the batter on. What a result. So easy, come on. Now this works beautifully with apple and blackberry, works beautifully with pears. It's an easy way to make a fantastic dessert. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make this easy batter topped apple pie. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. And this is a lot lighter than eating pastry.